Cavite, dapat meron na po kayong designated place kung saan magkikita at paano magtatagpo.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Chairman. So, ayan po, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating earthquake drill. Yan, nasa loob. Mamaya, ilalabas na ho nila yan. At syempre, una, dadalhin nila sa isang ambulansya para bigyan ng first aid treatment yung biktima ng kalamidad. Mamaya, pagbabalik ho namin, ano naman ang gagawin kung maipit ka sa sasakyan, nasa sasakyan ka at nagkaroon ng malakas na lindol. Syempre, papakita rin ho namin sa inyo ang mga gamit para sa demolition and digging ng MMDA. Back to studio po tayo.
Yay! Thank you, Mary Sue!
Thank you, Tita Sue!
Luan, summer is definitely here at tumitindi na nga ang init ng araw. Kaya ang wish ng marami sa atin, makapag-outing sa beach o pool.
Wish ko din yan, pero wish lang.
Hanggang wish lang. Pero ito, tanong, ready na ba for the beach ang inyong katawan?
Nako, kung hindi pa rin at medyo malaki pa ang inyong braso.
Ay, wala ka naman ganon, Luan.
Eto na yun. Eto yung solusyon. Meron naman daw po mga swimsuit na nakakapagpa-sexy ng inyong katawan. Yan at marami pang summer hirit. Ibibida sa atin yun ng Lynn at Drew mula po sa Pasig Rainforest. Hi guys!
Good morning! Happy summer!
Nakabikini ba din eh?
I'm just here for the girls in swimsuits actually. Just to watch them.
Wala na rin siya contribution.
Wala rin akong contribution.
Pero syempre, 2011 summer na. Ito, umiinit na talaga ang panahon. Kaya naman kailangan...
Grabe, init ka.
Grabe, di ba? Pinapawis na tayo tagatak. Pero syempre, maraming mga girls ngayon gusto na mag-sunbathing. Ayan
At saka
na.
ito na yung piniprepare nila. Magandang umaga po pala.
Good
morning.
Lahat sila, nagpe-prepare na because this is summer. Ito na, lahat ng exercise ilabas na natin dito.
Ay,
So,
okay.
I have prepared.
Exercise ay.
I have prepared for you, okay, the different swimsuits, especially for different body.
Oo nga, kasi natin mga babae, iba-iba
Ayan,
talaga yung
ba't
katawan
nakaliwa?
natin,
Ba't
diba?
nakaliwa?
Kaya
Okay.
eto na, para maging lahat kayo magaganda sa beach, eto kailangan isutin, syempre, care of our fashion queen. Miss Queen na.
ako talaga.
Empress ka na dahil.
Alright, okay. So, number one, we have yung small bust. But
Okay.
syempre, if you're not so well endowed on
Yes.
top, ang important is that you get, a swimsuit that has a little bit of padding,
Aha.
a little bit of push-up. May
Aha.
ganyan na yan, okay?
Oo.
And ngayon nga, meron na yung parang pump. Pinipress-press mo, gano'n umaangat-angat. Ay, oo. Yung parang sa
Oh,
rubber shoes, they have that
Yes.
press up, 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 up.
I love that.
And then next, we have, of course, yung
Opposite
if you-
naman.
now, opposite naman. If you're so well endowed, so you just have to make sure you get yung talagang full support.
Ah,
Okay?
para
Yes,
maganda
para naman hindi, biglang,
sa chan mo na.
Oo, at saka,
Nabawisan ako. Sino may toilet?
at saka hindi pag-ahon mo biglang lumabas, okay? You have to be very careful. Now, of course, if you're naman on the fuller side, okay,
eto
let's
kailangan
say
ko
you
dito.
have
Yes.
bigger hips, okay, and then you're also, more fuller on top. Tangkinis is always the way to go.
Okay, the third,
So,
our
yes,
third
and
model.
there are others, of course, that has tummy control, okay? May tummy control para naman kung gusto mo medyo nakataki ng iyong chan, di ba? May tummy control na ngayon. And then, of course, for heavy bottoms, you wear, fuller panties or bigger hips, yes. So, para at least you achieve the balance. Nasa tummy control na.
So, mga hindi nakakalam sa tummy control, ano yun? Parang,
Para ma-push in yung
Oo,
chan
para
mo.
ma-push in. Kasi meron siyang certain fabric na talagang
Parang spandex,
Oo, parang
ganon?
spandex.
Wait, pagka pinusin
Yeah.
sa loob, aangat ba yun para magka-boobs ka pa?
Yes, at saka it really keeps you there. Talagang meron siyang control, on the midsection. Okay?
Ganyan.
And then, the next would be the long torso. So, long torso, ano ba? Yung mahaba yung katawan.
Oo,
Okay?
mahaba
Yung
yung-
parang puro katawan yung tao. So, if you have that, what would be a good one is yung bikini mo, like yung top, may break, may lines, may design. So, it
okay.
stops there. No?
Ganda.
Pero yung eyes will only focus on that area. And then, if you're shorter naman ng torso, so we have this monokini. Yan ang tawag dyan, the monokini.
Okay,
It's
nice.
shaped na, ito talaga nakakahaba talaga ng trunk yan.
Nice.
Okay, and then it shows off your figure. And this is pretty much, nice ka ng nice yan. This is pretty much the usong-usong, what do you call this swimsuit nowadays, is the monokini. Kasi
kailangan-
sexy siya na without being too revealing.
So, yung mga matataba ba pwede dyan?
Oh, pwede dyan.
Talaga?
If you have the curves naman, yes you can. Kasi it creates nga that curve. Yung nakikita mo yung may gano'n, nakakadaya ng konti.
But so, is there such a thing as a universal bikini na talaga you would look good kahit anong body shape mo, maganda, itsurang pa nakabikini ka na?
That's what you're saying is the string, di ba?
Oh,
Yung
is it-
triangle, the string.
Oo.
Actually, maganda. But, because dito sa atin, we're not comfortable showing off our body if you're not perfect.
Except for
But
black,
what
right?
I'm telling you, ladies, is that go for it.
go for it, ladies.
Wag kayo magsiswim na naka-shorts, and naka-t-shirt, naka-pants. Hello.
Take it
Baka
off.
kayong- Oo.
Take it off.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
on,
And
take
don't
it
be
off.
conscious with your body. What you have to do is just embrace yourself,
Yes.
what you're given with,
Embrace
enjoy.
me.
Just go. Embrace me. And then huwag kayong, don't be conscious of it. You just enjoy the summer. I think wearing the swimsuits all together, you just find the perfect one. It will accentuate your body.
Hey, flaunt
Enjoy
your
things.
assets, di ba? That's what
Yes.
they're for.
Assets.
Oo. So, kayo problema dun sa body type ng iba. Don't compare yourself. Just love yourself.
In other words, let's not compare ourselves to Luan. So, Pia, halika magbikini
Sino?
tayo.
Sino?
Kaya natin to, Rhea.
Ay, saan pa
So, I love your shorts.
Oh,
by the
thank you
way.
so
Very
much.
neon.
Alright,
Alright.
pag-ubalik mga kapuso, gusto nyo bang mas maging sexy this summer? No problem. Dahil kasama natin ngayon si Chef Hassel Go at tuturuan tayo magluto ng grilled fruits
vegetables.
and
Wow,
vegetables.
kaya na.
Awesome, look at that.
Very healthy. Chef, kailangan pumayat ako today. Alright, mga puso, dyan po kayo balik agad daw ng hirit. Thank you, Miss O.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Atomic,
so.
get well soon.
Get well soon.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, attorney!
Attorney.
Attorney Gabby.